I found the best AI music and audio generator that helps me make passive income. In this video, I will show you 6 different ways in order to earn money with AI music and AI sounds. Don't believe me? We will create this song.
I just rhyme, make dope tracks, and in time you find that I'm always on.
And we'll even create parody music like this.
Elon's got a master plan.
And we'll create epic voiceovers and sound effects, and I'll show you step by step how you can make money with these tools. The tool I'll be using today is called MusicGPT. They have a generous free plan that you can check out in the link in the description, or you can subscribe to one of the pro versions. MusicGPT is a super powerful AI music generator. Just type in any prompt and you will instantly get a full song with original lyrics, instruments, and sound effects. Beyond that, you can edit any audio, so you can extract your stems, for example, your vocals, or just the instruments. You can change the voices. Check out what we'll create here.
You should subscribe to Mo Luca's YouTube channel to learn how to use AI to be productive and make money.
You can remix songs with AI, and you can extend songs and do so much more. And the best thing about this is that it's safe for commercial use. This means that you can use everything you create freely and you don't have to worry about copyrights. This is important because we want to earn money with this, and having safe commercial use terms is essential for our purpose. In just a second, I'll show you 6 ways you can make money with AI music. And I'm taking these examples from the guide that I put together on 25 ways to make money with AI music. You can check out the link in the description in order to get access to this guide or follow along in this video. The first thing I'll show you is how you can create songs for YouTube and post them online. And this can generate you anywhere from $2,000 to $30,000 per month, depending on the size of the channel that you'll create. The first thing you'll need to do is you need to find a niche that is profitable. I'll show you an example of how to create study or focus music, because a lot of people go on YouTube to listen to music while they study or while they work, and it's in the background. So they might listen to hours of music, which will all add up in ad revenue for your channel. So I will simply go to this prompt and I'll copy it. Now I go to MusicGPT and I'll click on create. On describe your song, I'll simply click on the prompt that we just had, and I'll click on instrumental. Every single time we'll hit enter right here, it will create 2 songs that you can access on the right hand side. If you're unsure about the description that you put in the describe the song section, you can head on over to this custom GPT that I made that will generate the perfect description for you. For example, create a prompt for instrumental piano study music. And it is designed to find the perfect style prompt here. So you would just copy this and insert it right here. So while this is generating, let's check out the first song we created. Isn't this awesome? It sounds so good that I'm gonna add this to my study playlist right after this video ends. So remember how I said that it always creates 2 songs? Here's the second one. We can already tell this is very different. I love that it is very calm and melodic. The synthesizers sound really good and help me focus. Now let's check out the piano song. And the second one. This is amazing. Within just 1 minute, we were able to create 4 different songs that I would listen to while focusing or while I'm doing deep work. But it gets better. Here is the second way to make money. This method is to create children's lullaby music. And this works because parents love giving their kids something to listen to while falling asleep. And this allows you to pump out lullaby music and come up with some really good songs that help kids fall asleep. I'm going to use the example prompt that I have here, or you could type something into this AI generator that would come up with the perfect prompts and lyrics for you. I'll go back to my music generator. I'll paste the instructions in, but this time I'm gonna deselect the instrumental so that it comes up with the lyrics for me. Let's click on go. All right, it just finished, so let's check it out. On the right hand side, you see the lyrics that are generated.
Sleep soon, the day's done. Close your eyes and drift away. Tomorrow
That is very soothing, isn't it? And here is the second song I generated.
La la la, know what to feel. Hold me closer, just you and me, still here.
That also sounds very relaxing, and I could see kids falling asleep to this. You can turn the song public if you want in the bottom right corner, or you can go on the 3 dots and click on download, and now you can download the full song or the vocals or the instrumentals. You would have to download this in order to upload it back to YouTube. The third methodology also has to do with uploading stuff to YouTube, but this has to do with general songs. So in this case, you could pick a genre, for example, country music or country electro, and you can make multiple songs in that genre so that people follow your YouTube channel. In order to do this, I'm going to use my custom lyric maker because it comes up with really good lyrics and good instructions. So in this case, I'll just say, please make a hip-hop country song about resilience, self-worth, emotional healing, and shared struggle. And as you can see here, it came up with the specific instructions as well as the specific lyrics. So let's see how good the song sounds. I'll take this, go back over to the MusicGPT, click on create, and this time click on plus for the lyrics. Go back to the lyrics that you generated and paste them in down here in the add your lyrics section. Now simply hit generate again. And here's the song it generated.
I just rhyme, make dope tracks, and in time you find that I'm always on your side through life's ride. So when you wanna be unkind, take that shit elsewhere, cause that attitude is not welcome here. Every day should be at least decent. I mean, if that behavior, you need to clean it. Dream big, smoke a cig, whatever it is that makes you not feel like shit. Hey, you smile for this dude, remember the fun we have so.
I just love playing with this. This is so good. Let's see if the other one is also a banger.
That I'm always on your side through life's ride. So when you wanna be unkind, take that shit elsewhere, cause that attitude is not welcome here. Every day should be at least decent. I mean it, that behavior, you need to clean it. Dream big, smoke a cig, whatever. The other parts of times are tough, life can be rough, but you can't give up. There's way too much more to see, at least for me. But both our hearts beat, our auras glow, no one will take this.
And that was another great one. And keep in mind, with the paid plan, you can use all of these songs without any copyright issues. This is powerful because it means that you can use this tool for commercial purposes. And at this point, you're like, okay, he's just gonna make songs to put them on YouTube. Let me show you 2 other methods that you can make money with that don't require YouTube. And this method has to do with creating AI sound effects for digital marketplaces such as Gumroad or Etsy. I just went on Etsy and I found multiple creators here that, for example, this one has 1,000 different downloads at $6 a piece. So they made at least $6,000 just in people that reviewed their product. Similarly, if you go on Gumroad, you can also see that there's different music presets that people upload here. So you just have to pick your marketplace where you want to sell your music. As you can see here, you can focus on specific niches. For example, gaming sound effects, nature sound effects, urban environments, or notification sounds. And all of these are things that are used. For example, in my YouTube video, I use sound effects in order to make my videos more engaging. So here's an example, create a sharp UI click sound. In the UI here, click on the tools section right here and now go on sound generator. Insert that in here and you can add multiple variants. In this case, I will say the sound effect should be 5 seconds long. Click enter. And let's do that again for this one. And here is the UI click sound. I like that one the best. And here are the other sounds we created. The next method has to do with voice narration. You can now create really good voice clones or voice narrations with AI as well. And you can make money by either creating voiceover content for different niches, or you can go on Fiverr or Upwork and use yourself as a voiceover narrator. You can see that you can make a lot of money with this. For example, when I go on Fiverr, you can see here that a lot of people charge from $50, for example, for different American voiceovers. The way to do this is super simple again. Click on the tools section and now click on text to speech. On the left-hand side, you can look for different voices. For example, here's one that you might recognize.
At the southern tip of the Australian continent lies a remote island, an immense wilderness.
And in order to create speech, simply type in. You'll just type in the text here and hit enter. And this is what you'll get.
World of social media, You should subscribe to Mo Luca's YouTube channel to learn how to use AI to be productive and make money.
You've heard it from David Attenborough. Please hit subscribe and like because I still have more value for you. Another super cool feature of MusicGPT is that they have their own music library. Check out the set of pre-made playlists with trending songs. For example, let's check out the rap playlist. You can see different songs that creators have made, and look at this one. This one has 35,000 plays. Let's listen to it.
And don't come back, otherwise I'll give you a smack. Oh yeah, it's my crime, but I can't help you shed a tear. Let's go. He said start me a line here, so I'm about to go in and make you fear. Sorry, did I just see you shed a tear? I'ma find you and throw you off the pier.
Sometimes I use these playlists to listen to music in the background or to get inspiration for songs that I want to create. This is how I do it. If you find a song that you like, for example this one, you can check out exactly what prompt they used in order to get this song and what song structure and lyrics they used in order to get these tunes. And if you're not into rap, there's many different types of songs. In the Feel Good playlist, there's a song with 86,000 plays already. Let's check it out.
Control was lost in the static, now I'm clear in the code, and my heart beat different like a 6-4 roll. Lights low, still I shine bright.
This is super cool. The last thing I wanted to show you is that you can switch voices within the songs that you generate or with other songs that you have. In order to do that, let's click on the Create Anything tab again, and now click on Change File. Now upload one of the songs. In this case, let's download this song. In this example, I found this song where someone created a meme about Elon Musk.
Elon's got a master plan.
So I've downloaded the song and I will upload this now to my AI music generator. And this time we'll click on Change File, change voice to sound like Elon, and hit Generate. What would also be funny if the song sounds like Donald Trump. So let's try that again. And let's say create cover song with Donald Trump's voice. And here is the song with Elon's voice.
Elon's got a master plan. Changes every week, and we'd ride to Mars by.
That actually does kind of sound like him. Just be really careful with this feature because you might run into copyright strikes or certain lawsuits if people don't like it that you use their voice. Speaking of which, shall we risk it with Donald Trump's voice? Let's see how that sounds.
Elon's got a master plan. Changes every week. I said we'd ride to Mars by now, but my Tesla sprung a leak.
All right, that is hilarious. I'm gonna cut it right here as we're running out of time. There are also other features that I haven't had time to cover, for example, the remix, the replace, or the extend features, but you can try them out on your own. If you want access to my guide to make money, click the link in the description. I'll also be giving away this AI music prompt generator and lyric maker for free, so check that out in the description as well. Subscribe to my channel if this is helpful, and I've linked another video where I've created hit songs with AI, so check those out. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.